This is my middle finger sign that sticks to your back window of your car to make sure everyone knows when you're angry on the roads. This AI box lets you go from wired CarPlay or Android Auto to a wireless connection. It's got Drive Chat AI voice assistant already installed, and you can download favorite apps through Google Play. That means you can use Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and more in the car. Compatible with most car stereos, this is your key to smarter, connected driving. This backseat armrest gets plugged in and has a cooling fridge on the inside with drink holders up top. The heat transporting dogways. This is a car mirror extender, which lets you see a much wider view when driving, where you can even see your blind spots. These are blind spot mirrors, which stick on your wing mirrors and allow you to check both your blind spots without having to turn around. This is a seat gap filler for your car, which slides over your seatbelt and stops things from falling down the gap. This is an adjustable cup holder for your car, which can hold any size bottle or cup. Just put it in the existing cup holder and twist, and the size will expand to keep it completely secure. These little balls that are fingerprint erasers for all the screens in your life. I like to keep one in my car to help take care of smudges, so that way I can actually see what I need to see. This is one of the most powerful portable jump starters that cranks out 2,000 amps to bring dead car batteries back to life. Plus, it's water resistant and also doubles as a power bank, complete with an LED light and lighter socket adapter, so you can power small appliances on the go. This is a handheld vacuum which sucks and blows to clean small messes around the house, on your desk, and even in your car.